ladies, how are you? This is your girl J Baby, and welcome back to the channel. Y'all, I am like Becky Ball today, okay? So don't say anything, so you already know that this haul, girl, what am I talking about, a haul? So you already know this video is going to be on a wig because I gotta put something on this little bald head of mine, okay? My hair is trying to grow back, so y'all, I've just been slicking it back with some Style Factor gel. It's the Style Factor Edge Boost. And I just do this all the time. Put 2 little small braids in, and that's it, honey. But this video is going to be about a wig, y'all. I had got plenty of wigs from Samsbeauty, and like 3 wigs, and I want to try one. So I don't know which one. I know I have brown HD lace, which is the Stylist, and it is in the Kayla wig. I want to try this one. This one is like really cute. And then this one, the Instant Fab, honey, I want this for like something special. So I'm going to do this one something special. And then I have, this is the Freetress one. But this is extra long. It's a 4x4 closure. So I think I'll probably hold this one for later because it's pretty long. So I'm going to go ahead on with the Stylist. And this one is the Stylist Invisible Lace HD 13x6 pre-plucked 100% human hair master blend. It has transparent brown HD lace. Her name is Kayla, and it has all of the specs. The colors that I got it in was OET 1B30. I wanted something different, so this is how it comes packaged, y'all. I wanted to try something different. Look at this color. Hopefully this color will work for me. I don't want to look old with it, you know what I'm saying? But girl, we want to look good. We want to look good. I like how they got it packaged. You know, they're always putting this stuff in here. So, guys, it has been a couple of days since I recorded. I was going to vlog, but I was like, you know what, girl, let me hide my mirror. Sorry, my mirror in your face. But I needed to get a wig on. I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and get it out the way. So, okay, they got baby hairs flicking off over here. This is what she looks like. The inside of her. Oh, honey. Okay. We have in the inside some good amount of lace on here, y'all. What is this? This is 13x6 pre-plucked. And it's a lot of lace on there. You have a comb right there. Of course, the adjustable straps. And you have a comb, that area right there and right there. So, y'all, I have my which one come off? Let's just go here on and just cut the stock card off of here. This is nice waves in it. I like the waves in it. I like the pattern right there. That's really pretty. So I'm going to, actually got a middle part, so let's go here. I want to do a middle part here. They have a lot of different colors. HD lace, baby hair, pre-plucked hairline, available lace colors. Oh, yes, they did have lace colors. I think I got the brown color or whatever. This is cute. Well, I think yeah, brown HD lace. Yes, I did. So this is what this looks like with the lace. That should look really natural. So y'all, what I'm going to be using it with is my Bold Hold liquid gold. Let me turn this down so you can see it. The Bold Hold liquid gold. This is what I'm going to be using with it. So let me try it on. Let me just try it on. Put my mirror right there. We're going to do everything with the camera just turned completely on. Oh, I got to fix this elastic band first. And actually, my head is small, so I got to see if this is big head friendly, y'all. So I'm just going to put it on with the lace on. Y'all get the first impression of what it looks like. Okay. Okay, I like it. I like it a lot. Oh, I love this lace. Look, what lace, baby? What lace? What lace? Okay, what lace? Look at this. I'm up close and personal. Oh my goodness, what lace? This is gorgeous. Okay, so this is gorgeous. It's ear to ear. Oh, actually, it's a lot of lace all the way down here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be putting it on with the liquid gold Bold Hold. I'm gonna go ahead on and put it on. Girl, I'm feeling this already. I am feeling it already. So I'm going to go here on and put it on and I'll be right back, okay? This is beautiful. Really beautiful. Y'all, I don't even want no baby hair. Forgive the noise you hear. If you hear some noise, that's them cutting grass out there. So I'm just gonna comb my hair through it to just my hands through it, just to get like all the little frizzies and stuff like that out, if there's any, or any loose hair from me cutting the lace off. Y'all, this is actually the wig on with nothing. With nothing. Do you see how beautiful this is? Look how beautiful this is. I don't want no baby hair, y'all. I don't want no baby hair. This is like really cute. I like this. Let me see. I love it just the way it is. So let me just go ahead and comb my fingers through it and see if I'm getting any more shedding from, you know. I like the length. I really like the length. I love the... Look at this. What lace, baby? What? I don't even have nothing on it. I didn't even put this on here, y'all. Look. Nothing. Oh, my goodness. Of course, you know, if you want to put, like, some foundation or something on it, you can. But I like this just the way it is. This is gorgeous. A very gorgeous wig. Very, very gorgeous wig. I'm not going to do anything to it. This is just a put on your hair and go, honey. You don't have to do anything. I love the waves in it. Let me turn around so you can see the back. What the back look, the sides. This is what the back look like. This a lightweight wig. It's very lightweight. It feels like really light. This is something that I know that I can wear and will feel really comfortable in throughout the day. I won't feel like I'm too hot or anything. It feels like it's super soft, well put together, honey, well put together. So this is the Invisible Lace 13 by 6 pre-plucked wig. And let's see. Y'all know I gotta do more. Let's see. You can actually, let's make sure it's down real good. It's big hair friendly too, guys. I think my hair is like a 21. Look at all that lace. Look at that. If you want to go to a side or something like that, or if you want to take it and do some, you know, braids back or whatever, honey, you know. This is very nice. Let's bring it up a little bit. I like that. I like this side for the hump. I like it up a little bit. You know, no baby hairs, y'all, not today. But it does give you an opportunity to do baby hairs if that's what you want. This is an everyday wig, y'all. Everyday wig, which is really beautiful. I'm going to rock this one today. Come on, baby. Stand up for me. Yeah, that's how I like it. Let's go ahead and frizz her out some. Let's see how she looks frizzed out a little bigger. Y'all, I love this wig. She is beautiful. I'm going to wear this wig. I'm going to rock this wig today, honey. Yes, she is so beautiful. I love the color. I think the coloring goes with my eyes, y'all, very well. All right, so I'm going to go ahead on and have a coupon code down. That way you can get, I think I have a coupon code. I'm not sure. I hope I do. But if whatever you would need, I'll have it down in the description box for you to let you know. Y'all, talk with your girl. Let me know what you think. What you think about this wig. This is a new look for me. Y'all, usually I'm with straight hair. I really do like this wig. And the thing I like about it is that it's not going anywhere. And look at this. Do you see this? I don't have to put what? I don't have to put anything. Lace what? Look, this is the lace, y'all. Look. Transparent lace. Girl, I love this. I love this. Go ahead, Samsbeauty, with your bad self, honey. Go ahead with your bad self. I love this wig, y'all. It's more of my speed. I feel glam in it. I feel sexy in it. I feel like I could just get up and just go anytime I want to. And I love the coloring because I'm always doing black, but I love the coloring. And if I do decide that I want to put it down, I could put it down. But why? Why? When she's glam right now. Oh, my goodness. I love it. So this is the Stylist Invisible Lace 13 by 6. No, Invisible Lace HD 13 by 6 pre-plucked 100% human hair master blend. The lace is brown lace. That's what I got. I got the brown lace. They have two different types of laces, but I got the brown lace, which is the brown HD lace. The style name is Kayla, and the color is OET 1B30. This is a beautiful color, y'all. Look at this. So they have what is it? They have neutral lace, neutral HD lace, and they have brown lace. That's the available lace colors. The HD lace melts into scalp, thinner, softer material. It is softer material though. It don't feel hard. This is really soft, really good. So it does have baby hairs. It has 6-inch deep parting. We talk about a nice part. Look at this part, y'all. Let me come closer so you can see this. This look like my scalp. Girl, I ain't putting nothing in it because everything looks natural. I love it. I love it. I love it. 13 by 6 HD lace frontal. Neutral parting. 2 times more lace than regular lace wigs. So, that is my review on Miss Kayla right here. On Miss Kayla, honey. Miss Kayla, go get your hands on this wig, y'all. It's super soft. It's affordable. It's synthetic. And, honey, it don't even look synthetic. Look. Oh, my goodness. What wig you know you can rub your hands through like this? I'll wait. I will wait, honey. I will wait. What? Look, and then flip it to the side, and it's still, you know, what? Tell me. Tell me. What? Okay? You could do a lot of good stuff with this wig. This wig is beautiful. Look. And we talking about, this is synthetic hair, guys. This is not human. This is synthetic. And you see me doing all of this with this. Girl, I would run to Samsbeauty, okay? And I'm not getting paid for this. I would run, but I wanted a wig, y'all. I wanted some wigs. So I was like, let me go here and do the review. But I picked some good ones this time. All right, y'all. So, you know, like J Baby says, be blessed and not stressed. And J Baby will sign off. It's signing off. I will have everything you need down in the description bar. Chat with me down in the comments. Let me know, girl, this wig is fierce on you because I already know, y'all. I already know, okay? All right, be blessed and not stressed. And J Baby signing off. Mwah.